EngineAI's humanoid robot lands historic front flip. Shenzhen-based robotics company EngineAI has just made history by unveiling the world's first humanoid robot capable of completing a front flip. That's right, a front flip. While most robots have been showing off their backflips since Boston Dynamics' Atlas wowed us in 2017, EngineAI decided to raise the bar. Meet the PM01, the front flipping humanoid. At 4.5 feet tall, weighing 88 pounds and priced at $13,700, it's surprisingly affordable, at least by robot standards. It features 23 degrees of freedom, 220 pounds of torque, and impressively human-like gait. But what really sets it apart is the front flip that is far trickier than the back flip. Why? Because generating forward momentum while controlling rotation and landing safely is seriously challenging, even for human gymnasts. Of course, PM01 has a bit of an edge. It doesn't fear falling on its face. With neural networks, motion capture data and endless simulation practice, it's been programmed to get the job done. No hesitation, no fear, no need for band-aids. It's a major step forward in humanoid robotics, and while the flip is impressive, we're still wondering, is there going to be any blooper reels? And that's it for your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.